Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a millet series recipe, but this time we are not making breakfast but lunch. I tried Kodo Millet coriander rice. Now you can make this with any other millet as well, but I have made it out of Kodo Millet this time. So this is a simple and easy recipe. The ingredients list is given below, so do check it out. And for more such millet recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell. So let's jump into the video. So let's start by cooking the millet, for which I'm using the pressure cooker. On medium flame, I've taken a pressure cooker into which I've added the washed Kodo millet and a little bit of salt to taste. For this particular recipe, I'm adding a bay leaf. You don't need to add it if you just want to cook the millet. Now we'll put the pressure cooker on medium flame and cook it for one whistle. And the millet will be ready. We'll need to cool that for the recipe. In another pan, I've heated some oil on medium high. I'm adding some cloves to this, following which I add in the finely chopped onions. We're going to saute the onions until they turn translucent. So this will take a few minutes, so let's cook the onions until they become translucent. So I've also prepared a paste beforehand. This is made out of coriander leaves, mint leaves, garlic, ginger and green chilies. You can adjust the green chilies according to your taste. We'll add that into the onions and then saute it nicely until the raw smell of the coriander leaves goes away. Now it's time to add veggies of your choice. I'm using carrot and capsicum here. You can use any veggies of your choice. So let's just saute the vegetables as well in the coriander paste and the onion mix. Now it's time to add the next ingredients, which is the finely chopped tomatoes. We'll add that in as well and we'll just cook it down until it turns really soft. To help in the cooking process, I'm going to add some salt to taste into this and a little bit of hot water. Mix everything together, cover and cook until the vegetables are done. Now it's time to add some lime juice to this. I've used half a lemon. Mix everything together, cook it for a few seconds more. Then it's time to add the cooked millet, which I've cooled down to room temperature. Now all that is left to do is to mix the millet nicely in the coriander mixture so that it coats it nicely. Once everything's mixed together, switch off the flame and let the rice rest for 10 minutes before serving. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye-bye.